In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a site on Thinkific. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how to start shaping your site to match your brand and your goals. First, head to your Thinkific admin dashboard. This is your command center, where everything about your school lives. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the main menu and navigate to Channels, then select Website. Channels help organize where your content is presented, and the website channel is where you manage the look and feel of your public-facing pages. Next, find the page you want to edit. You can start with your home page if you're building out your brand's first impression, or jump into a specific course landing page if you want to improve conversions for a particular course. Think of each page as a canvas that you can personalize to guide your visitors toward the actions that matter most, like exploring your catalog or enrolling in a course. When you've located the page, click the pencil icon to open it in Site Builder. That pencil icon is your edit gateway and will launch the visual editor where you'll do your customization work. Inside Site Builder, you'll notice three key areas that make editing intuitive. On the left, there's a panel with editable sections. Each section represents a building block of your page, such as a hero banner, text and images, testimonials, curriculum highlights, or a call to action. Click into any section to adjust its content, swap images, refine headlines, and tune the messaging so it's clear and on brand. As you refine, keep your audience in mind. Short, benefit-focused copy and clear buttons usually perform best. On the right, you'll see a live site preview. This is incredibly helpful because you can immediately see how your changes affect spacing, hierarchy, and visual flow. Use this preview to check readability, image cropping, and overall layout so your page feels cohesive and professional. At the top, you'll find the Theme Settings tab for site-wide styles. This is where you define the universal look of your site, things like colors, typography, and button styles. By setting your brand palette and fonts here, you ensure consistency across every page without adjusting each section one by one. Aim for a limited color set and no more than 2 complementary fonts to keep your design clean and accessible. That's the full path. Open your admin dashboard, go to Channels and Website, choose your page, click the pencil icon, and use the sections, preview, and theme settings to customize with confidence. Take your time, refine as you go, and you'll have a polished Thinkific site that reflects your brand and supports your business goals.